Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the Vivo V50 Lite, a smartphone that's making waves in the budget segment. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for an affordable upgrade, this phone packs in some impressive features. First up, let's talk design. The Vivo V50 Lite is sleek and stylish, with a stunning glass finish that not only looks great but feels premium in your hand. Available in several vibrant colors, it truly stands out. At first glance, you'd never guess it's a budget device. Now let's get to the display. With a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, your gaming and streaming experience will be nothing short of spectacular. The colors pop and the clarity is impressive, making it perfect for binge-watching your favorite shows. When it comes to performance, the Vivo V50 Lite doesn't shy away. Powered by a capable processor and equipped with ample RAM, multitasking between apps is smooth, and you can enjoy even the most demanding games with ease. And we can't forget about the camera. The quad-camera setup on the back is a highlight of this phone. Capture stunning photos in any lighting with features like night mode and AI enhancements. Plus, the selfie camera is equally impressive, ensuring you always look your best. In summary, the Vivo V50 Lite offers a fantastic blend of design, performance, and camera capabilities, making it a worthy contender in its class. If you're in the market for a budget smartphone, this one is definitely worth considering.